Hey guys, what's up? It is Landon Gamer here / Ultimate Pig, and today we are playing The Floor is Lava. Let's do this. I know how to play. Let's do this, guys. Jump! No! When is the floor gonna become lava? I'm scared, guys. No! The floor is lava! Oh my! The floor is lava! Okay, guys, the floor is lava. Okay. Guys, this is lagging like crazy. But the floor is lava. I need to try and survive. The floor is lava. Now I can touch the ground. Guys, I'm super scared. I played this game a lot off camera, so that's why I have a lot of coins. Oh, balloon! Give me that balloon! Woohoo, guys! I got a balloon! My score is 30, guys. That you can see up there, and I have to fly to the sky. Yes, I got a coin. Hut. Give me that. Yes, I got 2 lives. Yes, let's do this, guys. Land. Come on, stop lagging. Please stop lagging. Thank you so much. Oh no! My guy got left behind. Let's do this. Whee! I want that. Yes, I have a rocket now, guys. / jetpack. Oh, guys, and comment down below. Which game do you want me to do in the next episode? And all you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment and say, like, this is the video game I want to do. And I would choose a random one. Okay, guys? So tomorrow I'm gonna play that chosen one. Okay, guys. Sorry, I need to go plug in my device. Guys, I need to go plug in. Okay, guys, sorry, my screen messed up, so I had to do that over again. Let's do this, guys. The floor is lava. Jump! Oh, I forgot. I forgot you don't press the arrow keys to jump. Hut. Oh! Help me, guys, help me! Oh my gosh, I have 4 lives. I didn't even notice that. I thought I only have 2, but I got 4. And guys, when the life gets taken away, that means basically I lose a life, and if I lose all my life, I drowned in lava. So basically, but how did I just survive that? Stop saying. Oh gosh, guys, I have 4 more lives. I do not want to die at this moment. Yes, Rocket Man! You could do this, Rocket Man. Rocket Man is just flying up into... I have so many coins. I think I could buy something from the shop when I'm done. Guys, I'm so good at this now. Come on, we know you want to. We know you want to drop. Stop lagging. Yeah, sorry, guys. No, I just... Oh no, I want to buy something. Bye-bye, dude. I'll just try and get the coins, and when the floor is lava, I'll just die. You know what? Bye-bye. You're gonna die because I need something from the shop. That looks good. I'm gonna play as him, guys. supposed to be, mister? Go. Move it! This game is lagging like crazy, guys. Could you please stop lagging? And guys, I think it's because we have bad internet connection here, so... Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're new to see me, subscribe too. Also, this game is lagging way too much, so I have to end it. Bye guys!